Hey, this is part 3 of lesson 1 from the French book Entre jeunes, class 9. Se présenter. Here we are supposed to fill a table with details of 3 characters introducing themselves. Dear students, when you are given a work like this, you have to have a look on the whole thing. The document, the details asked in the table, etc. So you have to have a quick look on the table to understand what details we need to pick up from the text. Now I'll advise you to first read all 3 texts once, then go one by one. So here we go. This table needs to be filled with the name and surname, the age, the nationality, the place where they live, and the languages they speak. Nom et prénom, âge, nationalité, la ville et les langues parlées. Now, we will read the texts. First reading will be to understand what is given. So I'll be reading and you go along with me. You read along with me. Take note of the details. Like if you're working on paper, the paper book, you can underline in the text itself with a pencil, not with a pen, okay? With a pencil. If you're working with a digital book, then you'll have to take notes on a piece of paper. Let's start the work. So for convenience, I'm going to draw the table on a paper and we'll be filling it together. Let's read all the 3 texts once. So here we go. Salut, je m'appelle Vasu. Je suis indien. J'habite à Chennai. J'ai 13 ans. Je parle hindi, anglais, tamoul et un peu français. J'aime. The second presentation. Bonjour, mon nom c'est Bond, James Bond. Je suis de Londres. Je suis anglais. Je parle bien anglais, français et espagnol. Third text. Salut, je suis de Paris. Je suis algérien. Je parle français, arabe et un peu allemand. Mes parents habitent en Algérie. Amir Abdullah. Now, let's take the text one by one and fill in the table. Salut, je m'appelle Vasu. Je suis indien. J'habite à Chennai. J'ai 13 ans. Je parle hindi, anglais, tamoul et un peu français. My name is Vasu. I am Indian. I live in Chennai. I am 13 years old. I speak Hindi, English, Tamil, and a little French. So let's fill in the table. So his name is Vasu. So we write Vasu in nom and prénom. He doesn't have any nom. He is 13 years old, donc âge 13 ans. He is Indian, so we write Indian in nationality. Next, where does he live? He lives in Chennai, so we write Chennai in the column nom de ville. And what are the languages he speaks? He speaks Hindi, English, so anglais, Tamil, so we'll write Tamil, and un peu français, so we'll write also français. Bonjour, mon nom c'est Bond, James Bond. Je suis de Londres. Je suis anglais. Je parle bien anglais, français et espagnol. My name is Bond, James Bond. I am from London. I am English and I speak English, French, and Spanish well. Now let's fill in the table for him. Let's go. So, what do we write in the first column? Yes, James Bond. He has a name and a surname. So, James Bond. Is his age given? No. So, what is his nationality? He is English. So, Anglais. Anglais. And where does he live? In London. So, Londres. What are the languages he speaks? Yes, he speaks 3 languages. You are right. So, he speaks English, anglais, French, français, and Spanish, espagnol. Yeah, that's good. So we have completed the second line. Now the third one. Salut, je suis de Paris, mais je suis algérien. Je parle français, arabe et un peu allemand. Mes parents habitent en Algérie. Amir Abdullah. So what is his name? His name is Amir Abdullah. He has signed the text. Okay. And he says he is from Paris. But he is Algerian. He speaks French, Arab, and a little German. So let's fill in the table. So his name is Amir Abdullah. Not Abdullah, it is Abdullah. Yes, Amir Abdullah. He doesn't give his age. He is Algerian, coming from Algeria. His parents are there. And where does he live? He lives in Paris. So we'll write Paris in the next box. What are the languages he speaks? He speaks French, Arab, his mother tongue, Arab. He speaks also German, Allemand, and that's it. So here we have filled in for the 3 characters. And now you notice that there is a 4th line which is left blank. So, and that is for you. Yes, it is for you. So you can fill that with your name and surname if you have one. Your age, you know that. So you can put your age and your nationality if you are Indian or any other nationality. The place where you live actually at present, and the languages you speak. You may speak 2, 3 or 4 languages. So you can fill that, or even more. So you can fill all these details. And once you have done that, it is easy to present yourself. So I encourage you to do that. And maybe you can post it in the chat box where I can see and give you feedback. Won't that be awesome? Yeah, so you can do that if you wish. So this is for today. See you in the next class. So until then, bye bye, au revoir et à la prochaine.